Hi, everybody. My name is James, and I am 30 years old, and I live in Mobile. I am a single father of one beautiful daughter, and I recording this video because I didn't see anyone else do an introduction video, so I thought, why not? Maybe it'll maybe it'll snowball and everyone starts recording their own videos. But I am majoring in business and I'm getting my bachelor's degree in management. One thing that I hope to accomplish from this class would definitely be not saying and a lot. I say it a lot even when just talking to someone normally. I am a bookstore manager. I've been doing that for about 2 years now. Going on 3 years. I love the job. The people, not so much. um, I come home, I work. I come home. I help my daughter with her homework. I do my homework and pretty much relax and vibe out. What I like to do in my spare time is, I'm pretty much up for anything really, but I mainly play video games in my spare time, try to get caught up on some. Right now, I am trying so desperately hard to beat Assassin's Creed, which is one of my favorite game series. Um, See, I've said I think about 5 times in this video already, but I'm just really looking forward to, um, I guess, broadening my horizons when it comes to public speaking. I know there are things that I could do better, and I know there are things that I definitely can improve on, or things that I do great already. I just want to be not the best at it, but just I want to be able to deliver my message better, is what I'm trying to say. And me stumbling over that sentence proves that I need help with that. So I'm looking forward to having this class with you all and have a good semester. Okay, bye.